How to use Bitget coupons. Now if you want to use Bitget coupons, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now first of all, what are coupons, right? Coupons can be found and claimed from the reward center or assets page. Each coupon has a valid amount, while some also have a discount ratio. Now if you want to use a Bitget coupon and if you want to find and claim coupons, you can find coupons through the following methods. Now first is either via website, go to their profile upper right corner, dashboard, reward center, and once done, coupons can only be used to offset spot and futures transaction fees. Each coupon contains a valid amount and some have a discount ratio. For example, suppose you have received a 100 USDT coupon with 50% discount. If you make a trade with a 10 USDT transaction fee, you can use the coupon to deduct 50% of the transaction fee. And this way you will be able to use Bitget coupons. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.